Top 10 Essay Topics About Water Pollution. Water pollution causes and climate impacts. This essay should study the causes of water pollution and its interconnectedness with climate impacts. We advise discussing human activities such as manufacturing waste, agricultural runoff, and improper disposal of pollutants. Moreover, you can highlight the influence of water pollution on ecosystems, global warming, and the need for sustainable practices. Water pollution and diseases. Here we suggest studying the link between water pollution and diseases. This essay will discuss the various types of waterborne illnesses caused by polluted water sources. You can explore common pathogens, contaminants, and toxins in contaminated water and their adverse health effects on humans. Water pollution in the U.S., causes and control. In this paper, you may spotlight the causes of water pollution in the U.S. and discuss measures to manage and mitigate it. You can address sources of pollution such as industrial discharge, agricultural techniques, and urban runoff. Thus, it's worth investigating regulatory frameworks, pollution prevention policies, and the role of public consciousness. Coca-Cola India and water pollution issues. This topic aims to analyze the water pollution issues associated with Coca-Cola's operations in India. Therefore, you can discuss the controversies surrounding the company's water usage, pollution incidents, and community impacts. Besides, you can overview the responses and actions taken by Coca-Cola as the broader implications for corporate responsibility, sustainable practices, and the need for collaboration between industries. Water pollution and drinking water quality. Here, you should focus on drinking water quality. This paper discusses the effects of water pollution on the safety and accessibility of clean drinking water. So, you may discuss the contaminants and pollutants that can affect aquatic sources, treatment methods, and standards for water quality. Environmental impact and health risks of water pollution to a child. You should examine water pollution's environmental impact and health hazards specifically on children. This paper discusses the vulnerability of children to pollutants and the potential health effects, such as respiratory problems and developmental issues. Emphasize the significance of children's health by addressing water pollution through effective regulations and pollution prevention measures. Water pollution environment effects chemicals. Here, we propose to focus on the environmental effects of water pollution caused by chemicals. Explore the various chemicals that can contaminate sources of water, their influences on ecological systems, and potential risks to human health. Moreover, you can discuss the origins of chemical contamination like agricultural or industrial discharges. Highlight the need for stringent regulations and the development of safer alternatives. The problem of oil spills and water pollution in Alaska. This paper aims to address the problem of oil spills in Alaska, focusing on the environmental impacts. Therefore, we offer to study notable oil spill incidents and their consequences on marine ecosystems, wildlife, and local communities. Likewise, you can mention the challenges faced in cleanup and restoration efforts. Highlight the meaningfulness of robust preventive measures and responsible oil transportation practices. The water pollution prevention in oceanic areas. In this essay, you should investigate the specific challenges and strategies for preventing water pollution in oceanic areas. Discuss sources of pollution, such as marine debris, chemical contaminants, and oil spills. You can highlight their detrimental effects on marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Point out the need for international cooperation and adopting protection measures to preserve the health and integrity of oceans. The importance of recycling to prevent water pollution. This essay should discuss how recycling practices can contribute to preventing water pollution. We suggest you emphasize the meaning of recycling as a sustainable solution to reduce waste, conserve resources, and prevent pollutants from entering water sources. Your goal is to promote a cleaner and healthier environment for all.